Welcome back to Me and You. This is Keep or Return, where we find products from Costco, put them to the test so you don't have to, and decide if they're a keep or return. Today, we are continuing the restoration of my Mitsubishi Evo. In part 1, we started by removing years of built-up contamination using an iron remover, clay bar, and detail spray. In part 2, we brought the paint back to life with a paint correction using a dual action polisher. And now that the paint is clean, smooth, and looking better than it has in years, it's time to protect it. For part 3, we're testing the Cerakote Ceramic Coating from Costco. I found this online at Costco for $26.99 for a 2-pack. And when I saw it, I had to grab it. Because if you look online, these are selling for about $20 for just 1 bottle. But Costco's giving you 2 bottles for just $26.99. That's 2 bottles for the price of 1. So if you order now, you'll get 2 bottles for the price of 1. Our phone lines are open and our team is standing by. Call 1-800-ME-AND-YOU. Please don't actually call that number, because even if you order tomorrow, you'll still pay the $26.99. That's just the Costco price. Cerakote also claims that this product comes with a 50 wash guarantee, meaning they stand behind its ability to provide protection to 50 car washes. So not only is this an incredible deal, but the company is also backing up their product. The real question is, does it actually work? So now let's get to the unboxing. Unsurpassed slickness, maximum glass and shine, and extremely hydrophobic. That's what we want. If this is not the glossiest, slickest, easiest to apply paint sealant you have ever used, we will simply refund your purchase. Not only do you have the Costco satisfaction guarantee, but you also have the Cerakote's own satisfaction guarantee. And it protects your paint. Protection, protection, protection. Well sealed. Can't penetrate this. There we go. Here's the Cerakote microfiber towels. Before applying the ceramic coating, preparation is everything. The ceramic coating is only going to protect what's underneath. That's why we spent the first 2 parts of this restoration removing the contaminants and correcting the paint. After the decontamination process and the paint correction, the Evo is finally ready for this final layer of protection. Another tip, make sure you have adequate lighting. Again, we are using our Devos LightRanger 2000 and our Infinity X1 telescoping light from Costco. Check out our video review up top. This is the Cerakote Ceramic Coating. We're going to spray a small section at a time. Then we use one side to spread it out, spread it out, spread it out, flip it over, and buff it out, buff it out, buff it out. Make sure you don't have any hazy sections, any streaks. You want it to be nice and glossy. And you want a high gloss finish. That is the result we are trying to achieve here, is high glossiness. You want it to be nice and smooth and glossy, and it looks like that. It's been achieved right here. That's it, and it's done, and you just gotta wait 2 hours for the car to fully cure before you have any moisture exposure. So we just continue in small sections. Very easy, nice and glossy. Ooh, wow, look at that. That is so nice and shiny. Is this a brand new car or what? Spray a small section. You use one side to spread it out evenly. Then you immediately flip it over and buff it out. Don't want to let it dry up or streak, okay? Spread out. Buff it out, buff it out, buff it out. Buff it out. Spray a small section. Alright. Now that is glossy. Make sure you don't leave behind any streaks. You're working in small sections. You want a high gloss finish. Just walked out of the showroom at the dealership. Applying the Cerakote ceramic coating was actually pretty simple. Working one section at a time, I sprayed a light amount on the paint, and using a microfiber towel, I spread it out evenly. I flipped over the microfiber towel, removed any excess product, and leveled out the finish. The biggest tip is to work in smaller sections. You don't want to let the product sit too long because you want a nice even finish without leaving behind any streaks. After applying the ceramic coat, the first thing that I noticed was the slickness. The paint already had a lot of gloss after the polishing step, but the ceramic coating added another layer of depth and made the surface feel much smoother. Instead of just telling you that it works, let's put it to the test. Before applying the ceramic coating, I did a quick water test on the paint. As you can see, the water was sticking to the surface and spreading out more. The paint was clean, but without any protection, the water wasn't really beading or rolling off the way we want to see. Here we are. This is the water test after ceramic coating. We're going to go ahead and spray it down and see. Wow, look at those. It's already beading up and rolling right off the surface. Look at the difference. Tighter beads and rolling off the paint. This is exactly what you want from a ceramic coating. A hydrophobic surface that repels water and everyday contaminants to help protect your paint for years to come. It's beautiful. This is beautiful. And for a product that's only $26.99 for a 2-pack, I'm speechless. So, is this Cerakote ceramic coating from Costco a keep or a return? This one is an easy keep. $26.99, getting 2 bottles of ceramic coating, that is an incredible deal. The application process was simple, the water test showed a noticeable difference, and it is exactly what this Evo needed after bringing its paint back to life. Now, my daughter has already claimed this car, and she'll be ready to drive in about 14 years. So my goal isn't just to make it look good today. I want to protect this paint and keep this car looking as good as possible so that when the day comes for me to turn over the keys, she is getting an Evo that is well taken care of. And that is why adding a ceramic coating is the perfect final step to this restoration process. And after 3 parts of this restoration process, I think I can officially say I'm basically a professional detailer now. But seriously, after all this work, I think I must start my own mobile car detailing service now. If you need your car clean, polished, or ceramic coated, hit me up. And with that wraps up part 3 of the evolution of this Evo. This entire process cost us less than $150. We were able to decontaminate the paint, polish out the imperfections, and add a ceramic protection for a fraction of what you would pay professionally. A basic ceramic coating job from a detailer can cost you easily $1,000 or more. Now, professional detailers have the tools and experience to give you amazing results. But if you're willing to put in the time and do the work yourself, you get 2 things: the satisfaction of bringing your own car back to life and the savings. And with the money you saved, go treat yourself. Go buy yourself a steak and lobster dinner. Or if you're vegetarian, a nice fancy salad. You deserve it. If you have been following along with us since part 1, thank you so much for watching and sticking with us through the entire process. And if you haven't watched part 1 and part 2 yet, check the description box down below for the links so you can see the full restoration from start to finish. As always, if you're interested in any of the products we use in this restoration, consider using our affiliate links in the description box down below. It really helps support the channel, there's no additional cost to you, and we can continue making videos like this. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and look out for more Keep or Return videos. We'll see you in the next one. Bye!